Hi everyone, this session is about equivalence of finite state machines. There are two machines are designed M and M dash over the alphabet C, D. M and M dash are different in number of states. Now we need to check that M and M dash are equivalent or not. That means M and M dash are accepting the same strings or not, we need to check. For that, we need a comparison table of n plus 1 columns where n is the number of input symbols. In this table, first we need to write Q and Q dash as a pair. That means here it is a pair of states from M and M dash respectively. We need to start the table with Q1 and Q4 because Q1 is the starting state in M and Q4 is the starting state in M dash. Now we will fill the cells. Q1 on C, it is moving to the state Q1, so Q1. Q4 on C, it is moving to the state Q4, we need to write Q4. Q1 on D, it is moving to the state Q2, so that we need to write Q2. Q4 on D, it is moving to the state Q5, so that we need to write Q5. And the new pair in the row must be introduced in the first column. That is Q2, Q5 is the new pair, so that we need to introduce that in the first column. If you observe here, the second column is, this is C reachable and third column is D reachable. Q2 on C, it is moving to Q3 and Q5 on C, it is moving to Q6, so that we need to write a pair Q3, Q6. Q2 on D, it is moving to the state Q1 and Q5 on D, it is moving to the state Q4, so that we need to write a pair Q1, Q4. A new pair is introduced, that is Q3 and Q6. Q1, Q4, it is already there in the first column, so that no need to write it. Q3 on C, it is moving to the state Q2 and Q6 on C, it is moving to the state Q7. So the pair is Q2, Q7. Q3 on D, it is moving to the state Q3. Q6 on D, it is moving to the state Q6. So the pair is Q3, Q6. New pair is introduced, that is Q2 and Q7 in the first column. Q2 on C, it is moving to the state Q3 and Q7 on C, it is moving to the state Q6. So the pair is Q3, Q6. Q2 on D, it is moving to the state Q1 and Q7 on D, it is moving to the state Q4. So the pair is Q1, Q4. There are no more new pairs in the second column and subsequent column, so that we need to stop the procedure. Now we need to observe the second column and third column. Here we got a pair Q1 and Q4. Q1 and Q4 both are final states in M and M dash respectively. Q2, Q5 are non-final states in M and M dash respectively. And Q3, Q6 are non-final states in M and M dash respectively. Q1, Q4 are final states in M and M dash respectively. Q2, Q7 are non-final states in the M and M dash respectively. And Q3, Q6 are non-final states in M and M dash respectively, and Q3 and Q6 are non-final states in the M and M dash respectively, and Q1, Q4 are both are final states in M and M dash respectively. So that these two machines M and M dash are equivalent. Suppose if one is moving to the final state and another is moving to the non-final states, then we can say that M and M dash are not equivalent. But here in all the cases, both are going to the final state and final state or non-final state and non-final state, so that these two machines M and M dash are equivalent. Let us see one more example for the equivalence of finite state machines. There are two machines are given M and M dash with different number of states, so that we have taken a comparison table with three columns since there are two input alphabet, that is C and D. As the first pair is Q1 and Q4 because Q1 and Q4 are the initial states in the M and M dash respectively. The second column represents the C reachable states and the third column represents the D reachable states. So let us start filling the states. Q1 on C, it is moving to the state self state so that Q1. Q4 on C, it is moving to the self state so that Q4. Here Q1 and Q4 are both our final states, so there is no problem here. Q1 on D, it is moving to the state Q2. Q4 on D, it is moving to the state Q5, and Q2, Q5 are both are non-final states, so there is no problem. By seeing these pairs, we need to introduce the new pair Q2, Q5 in the first column. In the machine M, Q2 on C, it is moving to the state Q3, and Q5 on C, it is moving to the state Q7 in M dash machine. So the pair is Q3, Q7. Q2 on D, it is moving to the state Q1 in machine M. Q5 on D, it is moving to the state Q6 in the machine M dash. And Q3, Q7 are both are non-final states in the M and M dash respectively. But Q1, Q6 are both are not non-final states and both are not final states. Here Q1 is final state in the machine M and Q6 is non-final state in the machine M dash. In this example, M is reaching the final state and M dash is reaching the non-final state. That means a string is given to M, it is accepting by reaching the final state, and the same string is not going to be accepted by the M dash because it is reaching the non-final state. That means M and M dash are not accepting the same kind of strings. One machine is accepting and another machine is rejecting, so that M and M dash are not equivalent. Please subscribe and thanks for watching.